Rubbing potato on your skin has many beauty benefits. They are one of the most widely used vegetables that are found in almost every kitchen around the world. They are rich in vitamin C, which is vital for maintaining skin health. To help clear skin, apply potato juice directly to blemishes. They have an anti-aging beauty agent, in warding off wrinkles, imparts a healthy glow to your skin. It also helps to soften your skin. A gentle massage with potato slice is extremely beneficial if you have black spots on your face. Rub potato slice on your face for 5 minutes. Once done, rinse off with clean water. You can also use cold potato juice as a daily facial rinse. It gives you a soothing and cooling sensation as well as diminish your suntan. It will help reveal clear and perfect skin. They remove dead skin cells on the face and can be used as a natural facial cleanser. Applying potato to the under-eye area is a safe and natural way to brighten up dark circles. It helps to ward off fine lines. If you are suffering from black neck and want to get rid of neck darkness, you can try potato juice to treat it. Apply juice for 10 to 15 minutes for few days and feel the difference on your neck. Dry skin tends to get wrinkles and fine lines earlier than oily skin. Mix 1 tablespoon of potato pulp and a teaspoon of curd to make a potato face mask for dry skin. It helps keep your face hydrated, reduces the fine lines. Potatoes are quite nutritious. They have a high content of carbohydrates and vitamin C. Now that you know of its many beauty benefits, grab a potato and start your way to healthy skin care. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.